In today's recap, getting started over on the S&P, big macro view, 65.75. Staying below there, was looking for movements towards 32.75. Early morning head fake below that key, ended up holding, shot all the way up to the upside at 398. We started out in that macro 10 this morning, right at opening off the top of the channel, short quite a bit of downside strength, but stalled out at the bottom of the channel, setting up for some long opportunities pretty much throughout the rest of the day. Did stall out, set up a nice lower high at the midpoint at 83, pulled back, test the high of the day in the SR1, couldn't break all the way down through, straddled through, ended up staying above and retesting, setting up a good higher low, moving all the way up to the top of the next channel and beyond. Over on the NQ this morning, big macro view, 226. Getting below there, was looking for movements to 34 and above, up to the 417. Had that consolidation, early morning head fake through the key price level, couldn't even see the equal low, stalled out, and set up other long opportunities. Started out in that macro 10 this morning. Right at opening, short at the top of the channel, off the SR1, quite a bit of downside strength, breaking through the midpoint. With that kind of strength, pulled back, tested the low of the day, setting up other good short opportunities all the way down to the bottom of the next channel. Did give one more shot to the short side, just lost that strength, and started moving back above that midpoint of the consolidation. Moving back to the top of that range, setting up other long opportunities. Big spike up, but stalled out, setting up for a little reversal back down to the bottom of the channel again. Couldn't break that SR2 216, setting up other long opportunities to move all the way back to the top of the channel. Broke into that next, setting up other long opportunities. Did stall out though, pulled back. Couldn't break all the way to that SR1. In fact, couldn't break the low of the day, and then set up long opportunities, shooting up from there. $54.25 are my results today. Over on crude oil this morning, big macro view, that SR1 being the key price level, 65.42. Staying below there, was looking for movements to 64.65. Came down, stalled out, little double bottom, moved right back to that big macro price. They're just not ready to break that SR1 and 65. Started out this morning in the macro 10 off the key price level. Moved up, right at opening, had a little consolidation, but held at the SR1, set up that lower high for some shorts, but didn't have any strength to continue to the short side. Then we had a big spike up right to the daily midpoint, setting up for a short and a reversal back down into the original channel all the way to the low. Then we stayed in a little consolidation range in that original macro 10, setting up some longs and shorts. Finally broke out of that range, retesting a couple times, giving some other good opportunities for those lower highs and higher lows, with the house effect moving back up.